Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find profitable Shopify products in 2026. As we all know, most Shopify stores fail for one reason and one reason only: they pick bad products. In this video I will show you exactly how to find profitable Shopify products in 2026 even as a complete beginner. So we're going to be covering what makes a product profitable, free and paid product research methods you could try, TikTok and Facebook strategies you could implement, and product validation and some examples you can actually copy. All right, so first things first, what makes a Shopify product profitable? Before you search for your product, you need to understand this. A profitable product usually has a strong demand, impulse buy appeal, it has a problem solving ability. It also has a high perceived value and a good profit margin. An example of this would be a boring phone charger, and then replace that with a magnetic rotating charging dock. It has a stronger selling angle than the low excitement you would get from a phone charger. All right, so the first product rule we're going to be looking at is looking for problem solving products. That is the first product rule we're going to be addressing, looking for, problem solving products. So, the best products actually solve convenience problems, cleaning problems, beauty problems, organization problems. Example of this you could find would be smart organizers or hair removers, car accessories, and things like portable blenders. So let's say you want to find a portable blender. All you need to do is just simply look it up and simply open up this in a new tab while you simply take out these pictures. So the most that appeal to people would be colors that aren't too contrasting. You should avoid things like this and aim for more simplified designs like these. So let's go with this one here. Just simply click on the design. All you need to do here is just go ahead and click on the link that takes you to the post. Just click on the link and it's going to lead you over to the portable blender. And then you can simply see the price and some pictures of it. So all you need to do is just find a picture you like, click on save image as, and just simply download this image onto your device. Once you've downloaded it onto your device, take note of the price, take note of the capacity, the dimensions, and things of that nature. So we've saved it onto our device here, and we have the about, we have the brand. All you need to do now to implement this is head back to your store, click on products, and all you need to do is just go ahead and click on add product at the top right corner if you haven't added any products. Now, the next thing you're going to be doing is copying and pasting this design. Remember, I told you we're going to be talking about products that actually makes sales on Shopify. And this is one of them. This is a really good product. And this is a real example you can actually copy. So all you need to do is get the title. This is the title of the Blender. Use the Control key and C to copy, and then just simply Control key and V here. And then in the description, you can head back here, scroll through till you find the description. Now, it may be tricky to find a description of the product, but it shouldn't be too difficult to find. So all you need to do is just simply copy this here. You can download this. That is optional. Copy this and use the Control key and V to paste this here. That is the description. Now for the media, click on Upload New. Select the file we just downloaded, click on open, and it's going to be added to the add products page. Now head back here, scroll through, and be prepared to copy more of the item's description. This is more of the item's description. You can click here to see more details. This is the main product description, but that one works better. And just head back up so you can get the other dimensions. All right, so once you figured that out, the next thing we're going to be looking for is using TikTok for our product research. So you can just simply open up TikTok on your mobile device and then simply search at the top for Amazon finds or cool gadgets or must have products, because TikTok is one of the best places to spot trends easily. To do this, just open this on your computer. You can simply search for TikTok trends. All right, so click on TikTok trends here. It's going to open up in a new tab. Once it has opened up, scroll through till you find what you're looking for. Now you can find more of this on the trends menu, which is at the top of your screen. just click on trends and select trends overview. All right, guys. So once you're on the creative center, what are the things you need to look out for once you're on TikTok? Basically, you should analyze videos that have high views, lots of comments, high engagements, and the important signs within the video should be: where can I buy this, as comments, viral product demonstrations, strong emotional reactions to those products. Another app you could make use of is Facebook, that is the Facebook ad library. So, this is one of the best free tools for product research. You could simply search for Shopify brands, e commerce stores, and product niches. So, if a brand is running an ad for a week or months, that usually means the product is profitable. And now the next step you can follow after this piece of information is using product research websites. So all you need to do is just simply open up a product research tool. Some popular tools are Minia, Dropship.io, Peepides, and Sell the Trend. A simple Google search would reveal these to you. So you could just simply search for things like Sell the Trend and just simply click on this and hit enter. And all you need to do now is just simply click on sell the trend. So basically, once you've selected sell the trend, you could just simply start a free trial and then use these platforms to help track your trending products, viral ads, and your competitor stores. It's great for saving you research time. And then the next step you can follow is analyzing your competition. So basically, open up your Shopify, study the best sellers on Shopify, the best product pages, their reviews, their pricing, and their marketing style. You can do this when you head into your Google search and just simply search for Shopify and then, look out for the top selling product. All right, and then last but not least, you could simply check your product saturation. It is important that not every trending product is used by you. You don't have to jump on every trend. What you have to do is simply identify identical ads, price wars, and things that everyone is selling. All right, and last but not least, how can you spot bad products? These are products that have no emotional reaction. They are hard to explain quickly. They are extremely cheap looking and low perceived value and no viral potential. If it's boring, it's harder to market. Now, the beginner mistakes you should try avoiding would be selling random products. So always validate your products first. Choosing random products with low margins because it's actually harder to scale profitably, and also ignoring your competitors. Your competitor is one of your best free research materials. So please look out for competitors who are selling the same products as you. And then picking products you personally like. Do not go for personal preference, always go for market demand, as that saves you a lot of money and time wasted. All right, so my product research flow is opening up TikTok for research, using the Facebook ad library, scouring through Google Trends, and competitor analysis. This helps filter weak ideas quickly. All right, guys, and that's how to find a profitable Shopify product step by step in 2026. Don't forget to use big websites like Amazon, eBay, and the rest to get potential products you could easily sell. You could even use these websites to simply find the top trends in today's deals. You could find them here and in sell. So it's that easy. All right, guys. So leave a like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.